Want to deliver with DoorDash using a bike in 2025? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, when signing up or updating your profile in the Dasher app, make sure to select bike as your delivery method. This helps you get shorter, more bike-friendly routes. Once you're online, accept orders just like any other Dasher. Stick to areas with lots of restaurants close together. Downtown zones or campuses are perfect. Use a secure phone mount and a solid backpack or insulated delivery bag. You'll need both hands-free and the order safe while riding. When picking up food, double check that it's sealed and packed well to avoid spills during the ride. After picking up, use the app's built in navigation to find the delivery spot. Once you arrive, follow delivery instructions carefully, whether it's doorsteps, drop off points, or buzzer codes, and mark the order as delivered. Bike delivery is fast, it's low cost, and it's great for avoiding traffic. Just stay visible, ride safe, and time your dashes during lunch and dinner rush for better payouts. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And if you want more delivery tips for Bike Dasher, just let me know.